It's good to know that probabilities are measured on a scale from 0 to 1. A probability of 0 means the event will never occur, it will be impossible. A probability of 1 means the event will always occur. So if we notice here, a probability of 0 means it's impossible, to a probability of 1, or 100%, means it's certain to happen. Somewhere in the middle, if we're at 50%, which could be written as 1/2, 0.5, 5/10, or 50%, would be equally likely to happen or to not happen. If you had a probability of around 25%, that would be unlikely, whereas a probability of 75% is considered likely. Theoretical probability. To find theoretical probability, you take the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes that are possible. So we could write this as the probability of an event, whatever that event is the number of favorable outcomes that satisfy that event over the total number of possible outcomes. So, to find the additional vocabulary, we know that experimental probability is the ratio of the number of times an event actually occurs to the total number of trials. A trial is a single act of performing an experiment. Complement is when two probabilities have a sum of 1. So together they make up all the possible outcomes without repeating any outcomes. So the probability of an event, for experimental probability, we take the number of times the event actually occurs over the total number of trials.